You watching this right now, that's hustle. You're here because you want more out of life. You want to break free from the mundane, the ordinary, and create something extraordinary. You have that fire, that drive, and that's what sets you apart. You're looking for opportunity. You're ready to build something of your own. You're not just dreaming, you're planning, strategizing, and preparing to take action. You understand that success doesn't come overnight, but you're willing to put in the work. That's what I love to see. That determination, that willingness to push through challenges and keep moving forward. It's inspiring, and it's the first step towards achieving your goals. Today we're talking business ideas, not just any ideas, but ones that are practical, achievable, and can be started with minimal investment. Ideas that can grow and evolve as you do. Not those pie-in-the-sky, need $1 million ideas, but real, actionable stuff. We're talking about businesses you can start with what you have right now, leveraging your skills, your passion, and your resources. Low cost, high demand, and the risk minimized. These are ideas that have been tested, that have a market, and that you can start small and scale up as you grow. We're talking about putting in the work, providing value, and building something sustainable. It's about creating a business that not only makes money, but also makes a difference. That this isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building something that lasts, something that you can be proud of. It's about creating a legacy. This is about building for the long term. It's about setting goals, making plans, and taking consistent action. It's about being patient and persistent. This is about putting in the effort day after day and creating something you're proud of. It's about those late nights, those early mornings, and those moments when you push through, even when it's tough. So many people are afraid to take that first step. They hesitate, they doubt themselves, and they let fear hold them back. They're paralyzed by fear, by the thought of failure. They worry about what could go wrong, and they let that stop them from even trying. But you know what? Failure is part of the game. It's how you learn, how you grow, and how you get better. Every mistake is a lesson. Every setback is an opportunity to improve. It's how you learn, how you grow. It's about taking those small steps, making progress bit by bit, and celebrating every little victory along the way. The key is to start small, validate your ideas, and then scale. Test the waters, see what works, and then build on that. It's about being smart, being strategic, and being willing to adapt. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things. Innovation comes from taking risks, from thinking outside the box, and from being willing to fail and try again. The internet has created more opportunities than ever before. You have access to resources, tools, and information that can help you succeed. Use them, learn from them, and let them guide you. So let's stop wasting time and dive right into these 5 low-cost, high-demand, low-risk business ideas. These are ideas that you can start today, that have the potential to grow and that can help you achieve your dreams. Get ready to take some notes, because this is where the real work begins. Let's go. This is your moment, your opportunity to make a change. Embrace it, and let's get this bread. I bet you didn't know how easy it is to turn the world into your office. First up, we're talking freelance services. This is the gig economy in action, baby. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a social media manager, or you've got another skill you can offer, the world is your oyster. Literally, you can work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. The best part, the upfront investment is minimal. You need a laptop, an internet connection, and the drive to hustle. That's it. You're not renting an office, you're not hiring a staff, you're keeping your overhead low and building your business on your own terms. Now, I know what you're thinking. Gary, there's a ton of competition out there, and you're right. But here's the thing, there's also more demand than ever before. Businesses, big and small, need help with everything from designing websites to writing blog posts to managing their social media. And that's where you come in. You become the solution to their problem. All right, let's talk about drop shipping. This is e-commerce without the headache of inventory. You heard me right. No more packing boxes in your basement. With drop shipping, you're essentially the middleman. You create an online store, list products, and when a customer places an order, your supplier ships the product directly to them. This means you don't have to worry about storing inventory, managing shipping, or handling returns. All you need to focus on is marketing your store and providing excellent customer service. Plus, you can run your dropshipping business from anywhere in the world, just like freelancing. Now, let's talk about the financial benefits. Since you're not holding inventory, your startup costs are incredibly low. You don't need to invest thousands of dollars in products up front. You only pay for the product when a customer places an order. This significantly reduces your risk and allows you to test different products and niches without breaking the bank. All right. Let's get down to business. Chapter 4, baby. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's not just hot, it's scorching. We're talking about digital marketing consulting. We're diving into the world of digital marketing consulting. This isn't just a job, it's a lifeline for businesses in today's digital age. And let me tell you, this is a space that's on fire right now. The demand is skyrocketing and the opportunities are endless. Every single business, from your local coffee shop to a Fortune 500 company, needs help navigating the digital landscape. They need to understand how to leverage online tools to reach their audience effectively. They need to be online, they need to be seen, and they need to convert. It's not just about having a presence, it's about making that presence count. That's where you come in. As a digital marketing consultant, you become the bridge between businesses and their potential customers. Listen, there are millions of small businesses out there that are struggling to keep up. They are overwhelmed by the sheer volume of digital tools and platforms available. They know they need a website, but they don't know how to optimize it for search engines. They know they need social media, but they don't know how to create engaging content that resonates with their audience. They're clueless about SEO, about content marketing, about paid advertising. These are all critical components of a successful digital strategy. They're so busy running their businesses that they don't have the bandwidth or the expertise to figure it all out. They need someone who can take the reins and guide them through the digital maze. And that's where you, my friend, become their secret weapon. You step in and provide the expertise they desperately need. You don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need to have a fancy degree. What you do need is hustle, passion, and a willingness to learn. You don't need to have years of experience. What you need is the drive to stay updated with the latest trends and tools in digital marketing. What you do need is hustle, passion, and a willingness to learn. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, and you need to evolve with it. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, so you gotta be a student of the game. Read the blogs, listen to the podcasts, take the courses, and stay ahead of the curve. The key to success in this field is continuous learning. The more you know, the more valuable you become to your clients. So you gotta be a student of the game. Read the blogs, listen to the podcasts, take the courses, and stay ahead of the curve. Become that trusted advisor, that go-to expert that helps businesses crush it online and stay ahead of the curve. Become that trusted advisor, that go-to expert that helps businesses crush it online. Your role is to make their lives easier, to take the burden of digital marketing off their shoulders. That go-to expert that helps businesses crush it online. When you help a business succeed, you're not just improving their bottom line, you're helping them achieve their dreams. And that's a powerful thing. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing a business grow because of your efforts. The campaigns you design, the strategies you implement, they all contribute to the success of that business. And it's not just about the big wins. Every small victory, every new follower, every positive review, it all adds up. It all matters. So if you're ready to make a difference, if you're ready to dive into the world of digital marketing consulting, now is the time. The need is huge and the opportunities are endless. Equip yourself with the knowledge, the tools, and the passion. And remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. Enjoy the process. Learn from every experience and keep pushing forward. The world of digital marketing is waiting for you. Go out there and make your mark. Help businesses thrive, and in turn, you'll find your own success. Let's do this. All right. Let's dive into something that's changing the world as we know it. Let's talk about online education. It's not just a trend or a passing phase. It's a seismic shift in how we learn and grow. This isn't some fluffy trend, it's a full-blown revolution. The traditional classroom is evolving, and the virtual classroom is taking its place. People are hungry for knowledge, and they want it delivered right to their screens on their own time. Flexibility and accessibility are the new norms. That's where you come in. You have the power to be a part of this revolution. You've got skills, you've got passion, you've got that hustle. Turn it into a freaking online course. Think about it. The world is your classroom. What do you know like the back of your hand? What are you an expert in? What can you teach others that will add value to their lives? What are you constantly giving advice on? What do people come to you for? That's your niche, your area of expertise. That's your golden ticket, baby. Your unique knowledge and experience are valuable. Turn that expertise into a structured course, package it right, and watch the students roll in. It's about creating something that people need and want. We're talking about a massive global audience hungry for what you know. The internet has no borders, and neither does your potential reach. Listen, the beauty of this business model is its scalability. You can reach thousands, even millions, without being physically present. You create the course once, and it can generate income for years to come. It's about working smarter, not harder. You're not trading time for money. You're building an asset. And the best part? This asset can grow and evolve over time. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it stupid easy to get started. They provide the tools and support you need to launch your course. They handle the tech stuff, the payments, all that jazz. You don't need to be a tech wizard to succeed. You focus on what matters, delivering killer content and building a community around your knowledge. No more excuses, folks. It's time to take action. This is your chance to monetize your brain, add massive value to the world, and potentially reach financial freedom. Don't sleep on this. The knowledge economy is booming, and there's a place for you in it. Think about the possibilities. You can create courses on anything, from cooking to coding, from fitness to finance. The sky's the limit, and don't worry about the production quality. Start with what you have. Your smartphone, a decent microphone, and a quiet space are enough to get going. As you grow, you can invest in better equipment and software. But the key is to start. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Engage with your students, ask for feedback, and continuously improve your content. Your audience will appreciate your dedication to their learning experience. Network with other educators, join online communities, and stay updated with industry trends. Collaboration and continuous learning are crucial. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Each step forward is a step towards your ultimate goal. Plan for the future. Think about how you can expand your course offerings, reach new audiences, and keep your content fresh and relevant. And remember, this journey is not just about financial success. It's about creating a lifestyle that allows you to do what you love, help others, and enjoy a balanced life. Reflect on your journey, appreciate how far you've come, and stay motivated by your vision. The knowledge economy is your playground, and the opportunities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step, hit that publish button, and start your journey in the knowledge economy today. The world is waiting for what you have to offer. Embrace the knowledge economy boom, and let's make a difference together. Your expertise can change lives, including your own. Let's do this. Let's talk about a business idea that's as old as time itself, but still incredibly relevant: home cleaning services. Look, everyone wants a clean house, but nobody wants to do the dirty work. That's where you come in, hustlers. This is a business with built-in demand. People are busy, they've got jobs, families, social lives. Who has time to scrub toilets and mop floors? Nobody. That's why they're willing to pay good money for someone else to handle it. The best part? The startup costs are ridiculously low. You don't need a fancy office or expensive equipment, just some basic cleaning supplies, a reliable mode of transportation, and that fire in your belly to build something great. Listen, don't underestimate the power of hard work and dedication. In the service industry, reputation is everything. Provide exceptional service, go the extra mile, and watch your business grow organically through word-of-mouth referrals. There you have it, folks. 5 low-cost, high-demand business ideas that can take you from side hustler to full-blown entrepreneur. Remember, the key is to choose something you're passionate about, something that lights that fire in your belly. Don't get caught up in analysis paralysis. Pick an idea, start small, and iterate as you go. The most important thing is to take action. The world rewards those who hustle, who put in the work, and who never give up on their dreams. Thanks for watching. If you found these business ideas helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights. See you in the next video.